Yeah.
Cool. Oh, neat, Avery. Love.
Hey everybody, it's Avery. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup collection. I have been wanting to do this for so long, like a good solid 6 months maybe. I have been waiting to do this for so long and I'm so glad I finally can. I wasn't able to because I lived in my old house. I moved like not even a week ago. I got like a whole new setup. I got some organizers and I've been waiting to move for so long and I'm so glad that we finally did. Anyway, let's just get started with my makeup collection. Okay, so here is all of my makeup that is on display. The rest of my makeup is in my drawers. But yeah, so for my brushes, I just have all my brushes in these containers that I got from Target at the dollar section. Most of my eye brushes are from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill collection because I have the whole collection, so most of them are from there. Other ones are Eco Tools. I have this one from Real Techniques, but yeah, most of them are Morphe. And then for face brushes, again, most of them are Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. But I also I have this one from just like a little boutique, Real Techniques. I have these mini Eco Tools ones, Sonia Kashuk. I have this Urban Studio angled one. So now let's move into my organizer. So I got this organizer from Home Goods. So actually it's split in half. So every layer kind of comes off. Like this can come off and these 3 drawers are separate and these 3 drawers are separate. So we'll just start on the top here. In this little like square thing, I have my Too Faced setting spray. This is the mini version. I have some Vaseline, and then I have this mini Vaseline lip therapy. I have this lip scrub from Pink, and then I have this Clinique makeup remover, which is actually really good. I totally need to get the full size because I love this stuff so much. It like works so well for your eyes. And then here are most of my lip products. So like I have 2 mini Clinique ones. I have 2 ColourPop Luxe lipsticks. This one is Paparazzi and this one is Humble Pie. I have the Too Faced Holiday 2018 Liquid Lip Collection. These are all scented by like what's on the packaging and they all smell really good in my opinion, and I just love the Too Faced formula. I have this Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lip. I have the Smashbox X Vlada. I have this Flower Beauty Mix and Matte Lip Duo, so it's like a lip gloss and a lipstick. And then I have a Morphe lip gloss. These are like, I love this lip gloss so much. So back here I have this mini little Buxom lip gloss. And then I have some Lottie London lip products. So I have a hollow lip gloss, a lip foil, and then these 3 are just liquid lipsticks. I have 2 Anastasia liquid lipsticks, one in Naked and this one is in Catnip. And I have a Lottie London glitter switch. I have 2 ColourPop lip glosses. This one is part of the My Little Pony X ColourPop collection in Flutter Valley, and this one is in Sonode. And I have this Lottie London lip gloss in Drenched. So now going into the top drawer, I have more lip products. So I have the Vaseline Lip Therapy. I have the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. I have a Pixie lip polish. I have another Too Faced Melted. I have a Too Faced Melted Latex. Then I have 3 lip liners. So I have a ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Heart On, Essence Soft Contouring in Peachy Keen, and the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Think Flamingos. I have 2 Burt's Bees lip shimmers, a mini Too Faced lip injection in Milkshake. I have a Baby Lips and a Sephora lipstick and a mini Tarte lipstick. Next drawer is my eyeliner and mascara. For mascara, I have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes in the exclusive Flamingo packaging. This has been my favorite mascara like I've ever had. It is the Unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara, and it is so volumizing. It lengthens your lashes. It just does everything. My favorite drugstore mascara is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Of course, I have the Great Lash. I think everybody has this mascara. It's like everyone's first mascara. I have the Clinique Chubby Lash, which I totally do not recommend. It literally does nothing to your lashes. I have a mini Tarte Man Eater, L'Oreal Telescopic. I have the Falsies Push-Up Drama, which is another really good drugstore mascara. And Lash Sensational. This was like my first mascara. Well, the first mascara that I actually used. And this is another really good drugstore one. So for eyeliners, I have 5 of the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-Ons. I have a purple one. I have this navy one with like purple glitter in it. I have this really pretty champagne-y gold and a copper and then a black. This formula is so amazing. I'm obsessed with these. I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear, Tarte Man Eater, Maybelline Unstoppable, and the ColourPop liner just in black. And then I only have one eyebrow product because I never fill in my eyebrows like ever. I don't even know how, but I do plan on getting more because I want to start filling them in. I just really don't know how. But anyway, my one and only eyebrow product is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow. Next drawer is concealer. I have 2 of the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This one just has the sticker off of it. And then I have 2 Maybelline Cover Sticks. Another concealer that I really don't like is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. The reason I have this is because it's actually a really good concealer for putting on like glitter on your eye or loose pigment. I have one of my all-time favorite concealers, the ColourPop No Filter. I, as you can see, am almost about done with this. I need to get a new one, but like it's pretty cheap and it's just so good. I totally recommend this one. I have the Maybelline concealer. I don't even know what it's called, but it's actually pretty good. My everyday go-to concealer is the Flower Beauty one, and another really good one is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. Next drawer is probably my favorite drawer. It is the highlight drawer. Highlight is probably like my favorite makeup product. So I have 1 liquid highlight. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin. I have 3 mini Lottie London highlights. These are super pretty and they're really pigmented. I have the Too Faced Pineapple Bronzer Strobing Duo. I have the Urban Decay Space Powder. I have a Becca highlighter in Lilac Gia. This is a super pretty pink highlighter. And then a Wet n Wild one in Precious Petals that is actually broken. It looks so dirty on the outside, but this is like probably my favorite drugstore highlight. It is just, it's so, so pretty. I have 2 ColourPop Super Shock Cheeks. This one is in Smoke and Whistles. This one is in Wisp. I have a mini Becca one in Opal. And an e.l.f. highlighter in Moonlight Pearl. Next drawer is kind of miscellaneous. But I have this Lottie London eye foil. I have this e.l.f. Sunkissed bronzer. And then my favorite bronzer is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I am like obsessed with this bronzer. I have my one and only pigment. This is a Wet n Wild one. And what shade is it? It's in Gilded Crown. I have a mini Kat Von D setting powder. I have a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Ladybird. I love this one because you can use it as a highlight too. And last but not least, I have the Too Faced Snow Bunny Bronzer. Last drawer we have is the foundation drawer. So I actually don't have that much foundation because I don't wear foundation every day. But I have the Becca Aqualuminous Perfecting Foundation, and I'm pretty sure it's the shade Beige. The IT Cosmetics CC Cream in shade Light. I have 2 of the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in shade 105. And I have the Model's Own Runway Foundation in Bisque 02. So that is it for up here. Now we're going to move into my drawers. So in this first drawer, I have some setting sprays. I have the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Mario Badescu, this is the orange one. And ColourPop All-Star. Then for blushes, I have a Tarte blush in Glisten. This is like my ride or die. This is a Too Faced Sweethearts blush. I have this cream blush that I literally never use. It was on sale, that's why I got it. So it's just a NYX cream blush. And then this is like the perfect everyday blush. This is the Milani in Tea Rose. Next, I just have this random EOS. I don't really know why it's in there. I have this Drunk Elephant cream. The Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. And my favorite setting powder of all time, the Maybelline Fit Me in Fair. Then back here I have some setting powder. So I have my everyday setting powder, which is the Too Faced It's Bananas setting powder. And then I have two setting powders from Pixie. And I have this e.l.f. loose setting powder, which is horrible in my opinion. And I like most of e.l.f.'s products, but not this one. The only reason I still have it is because I use it on my little sisters when they want me to do their makeup. So yeah. I just have some skincare products. So I have this eye cream. I just have two little like acne spot gels that I keep in here. I have two primers. I don't usually wear a primer, so that's why I only have two. I have the Peri Para Peach Milk Blur and the Pixie Flawless and Poreless Primer. I don't have that much makeup in this drawer. I just have a bunch of skincare, but I keep my beauty blenders in another one of these containers. I have two more drawers left. So in this one, I have a Kat Von D Shade and Light palette dupe. This is the Profusion Pro Contour palette, and I have used the crap out of this. As you can see. I have another foundation. The only reason it's in here is because it can't fit in the drawer, but this is my favorite foundation that I have. It is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion. I have these two little Tarte eyeshadow palettes. Then I have a backup for my Maybelline Fit Me because I knew I was going to run out and I just love this so much. I have three Physicians Formula things, so I have two bronzers and a highlighter. And then I have this Morphe brush cleaner. So last but definitely not least, here are all of my palettes. So of course I have the Morphe X James Charles palettes. Let me just open this up for you for a second. Probably the prettiest palette I have. I love this palette so much. Then next to that, I have this Tarte 2018 Holiday Collection exclusive palette. Well, it's more like a set. But yeah, so it has a bronzer, two blushes, and a highlight, and then all of these shades. Then I just have this bin here with the rest of my palettes. So another one of my favorite palettes is the BH Cosmetics Aurora Light. These shadows are so pretty. Next I have another 2018 Holiday Collection palette from Tarte. This is actually a face palette. So you get two bronzers and three blushes. My one and only ColourPop palette is the Mild Oponics ColourPop. These in here are so pretty. I love doing looks with this palette. The ColourPop shadows are just so pigmented. I have this Ulta brand blush palette that I used to use all the time. One of my favorites is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. These shades, man, these shades, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Then I have the Too Faced Boudoir Eyes. And the Lime Crime Venus XS Rose Gold. I have one Wet n Wild palette. Wet n Wild palettes are super underrated in my opinion. They're so good and they're like actually really pigmented and they're not like dusty at all. This is the Not a Basic Peach. I'm pretty sure it's just like a smoky one. Yeah. An e.l.f. blush palette. I have another Morphe palette. This is the 9C Jewel Crew. This is actually my first palette that I ever got. I also have the Maybelline Lemonade Craze. And last but not least, the Becca Volcano Goddess. Anyway, that's my whole makeup collection.
I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye, chop up the soul Kanye, set on his goals Kanye. I hate the new Kanye, the bad mood Kanye, the always rude Kanye.